and answer the call. Subhanallah, how the stars still shine. Inshallah, I'll find the way through the night into the day. Yeah, Jannah, I long for you, where rivers flow and skies are blue. Alhamdulillah, this heart will soar to meet my Lord forevermore. The trees will bow where the breezes sing, a garden bright with eternal spring.